Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Sellers looking to sell tickets on Viagogo. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create listings and sell your tickets on Viagogo. Follow along as we set up your account and manage your sales. Let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first, guys, I will need you to go ahead and open viagogo.com. So click on the first link that will appear for you in Google and allow all the actual cookies. Now let's start by signing in into our account. So go here and click on login with Facebook, and that will speed up the process for us. So let's continue. And now, as you can see, in few minutes and with few clicks, we are now in our account. Now, Viagogo is a platform that normally sells tickets, but there is a feature that allows you for you as a customer to sell tickets as well. So you can go here, click on sell tickets, and as you can see, you can here sell your tickets. So first of all, here click on sell and try to search for the events that you have or the ticket for what event exactly. So for example, here let's just for example for Real Madrid, and let's sell for example the ticket for Real Madrid against Milan friendly match in 31 July. So this is a very decent game where gonna be the first appearance of Mbappe. They're gonna be a lot of things, so buying a ticket or selling a ticket for such basically game is gonna be very good. So here are some kind of prices. So paper tickets or e-tickets, here enter the number of tickets. For example, we have 3, choose split type, any number of tickets may be purchased, none, avoid leaving 1 ticket, avoid leaving 1 or 3 tickets. So let's go with avoid leaving 1 ticket, and as you can see, enter seating details. So you are required to provide sections, row and seat information if these are basically if this information is available to you at the time of listing. If you do not have all of this information present, you may list your ticket, but you must update your listing once you have this information. Listings can be updated using my account, and basically here they are showing us news about the FC Milan and the Real Madrid match ticket that are being sold. So they are getting us here notification about them in the bottom right corner. Sometimes they will be appearing right here. If you went back in the video, you will find something here appeared. So here I'm going to choose section. So let's choose for example, yeah, this is example of the notification. So here's section, let's show middle midfield. Middle midfield is a section high demand at the moment. Are the tickets for the home section or away section? Home section. It's don't know because basically it's not really something that you can choose. Don't know. So here, if you are unable to provide serial information, please select a reason why. The primary site has not provided other. Here, enter face value. So face value is the price printed on the ticket, excluding any booking fees. So here, I'm gonna, for example, it's around 50 bucks or 200 per ticket. And here about you, if you work for Viagogo or an organization for this event, you are required by section 19 of the Consumer Rights Act to select it below. Neither of these event organizer, you are responsible for organizing or managing the event or receive some or all of the revenue from the event, or a person who is acting on behalf of one of the above and employed by Viagogo. That means you are either an operator or parent of a parent undertaking or a subsidiary undertaking of employed or engaged by Viagogo, or a person who is acting on behalf of one of the above. So you have to choose it basically one of these things. So let's choose neither of these. Here select restrictions of use. So here I'm just simply gonna choose no restrictions, and that's pretty much it. Now select required ticket details. So tickets and meal package, here you can add like package just comes with the ticket. So is there any free buffet, any access to VIP lounge, partial suites, alcohol free area, etc. So for us, I'm gonna choose high traffic area, priority entry, possible sun exposure, VIP lot parking, oversight parking. Each ticket includes a parking pass, includes $5 plus tax, home game, etc., etc. Access a rocking chair. So there's a lot of things going on, but it doesn't really matter for us. Selling to people in the United Kingdom or Europe. Normal seller, I'm not a trader. In order to sell the customer in the United Kingdom or Europe, you must select if any of the below apply to you. Normal seller, I'm not a trader. Then click on continue. Here we should add 00, and let's go straight into here. Click on continue, and as you can see now we have to upload the picture of the ticket. So upload later, we don't have the ticket at the moment. Choose the currency in which you would like to be paid. United States dollar, so let's go with it. Let's go with that. The authentication code has been sent to your email, so let's go here. Let's open our email. Let's go right here. I think it's gonna be sent in a few seconds. Let me just copy. Oh, my email. It should be sent to another email, not this one. So basically, you simply have to paste the code right here, and once you have added it in this area, you will finally be listing your tickets on Viagogo. Now, the selling price is basically the thing is, in Viagogo you can't really make any benefits. The problem is you are selling the ticket with the price that it says on it, written on the ticket itself. So it is not like SeatGeek or whatever, or Ticket Tech or any other platform that actually lets you choose the price of your ticket, but rather here they are letting you basically they are just letting you and forcing you to sell the ticket with its original price, which for me, I really don't like it that much. That is why I would rather go and maybe go and put my tickets on SeatGeek for a 10% benefit or 5% benefit than put it on Viagogo, which is much easier because they don't ask you for anything. You simply have to put everything in there and they will literally just send you money. But it's much beneficial if you went to SeatGeek and press there, because you're gonna first make your account rankings and ratings higher, and you're gonna start making money through that. But in here, Viagogo is basically just trading the ticket with its original price. In case you couldn't really reach it or go to there, you will simply just use Viagogo so you can sell these tickets. And yeah guys, this is basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will try to answer all of your questions one by one. So guys, that was it for today's video. See ya guys in the next tutorial.